All right, guys, so we're back on the job site, and we had an inspection this morning and we failed. So we're gonna fix that. We're not perfect. I don't think anybody is, but that clean out, he's saying that clean out is way too far from that one. So we're gonna be putting one in between, and that's that. With that being said, I also wanted to show how you could do a water test on your new drain. Um, so we filled up our system and give it about 15-20 minutes, and you should be good to go.